JCB Hydromax, a car powered by hydrogen being tested here at RAF Wittering in a bid to beat the FIA World Diesel land speed record.
In the post-carbon era of zero emissions, hydrogen is quite likely to be the future of the internal combustion engine. To then be able to showcase that technology to the whole world of how cool it is by putting two 800 horsepower hydrogen engines in a race car and doing over 350 miles an hour was a chance too good to miss. So here we are.
The Hydromax project has run alongside a transition in JCB's production vehicles. Many of these products have seen a successful move from diesel to hydrogen engines, a move that was pushed from the very top of the company.
Everybody recognises that there is a problem with global warming, and one of the solutions to diesel and gasoline, petrol, is to replace that with something else. Looking at an engine, how do we make that engine equally as efficient but with far less emissions? And the way to do that is to power it with hydrogen. And it's possible to do it, and we've now made a few hundred engines, and we sold engines in machines and as generators to end customers as well, who are actually using them.
Definitely see that hydrogen has got a place, particularly for the equipment you've got behind me here. It's where you need that mobile, flexible fuel. Batteries simply don't cut it, because the machine to do the work needs to weigh a certain amount. We can't add a ton of batteries onto the machine because it can't do the same job it needs to do before. And so we see that hydrogen definitely has got a place going forward. We know that obviously there's technology developments that are coming as well, and it's one of the few times we actually want our competitors to do the same as us. We want them to come with us. We see already, when we started this program, there were only a handful of hydrogen internal combustion projects, and now there are hundreds. We see a vast growing interest in the technology.
To recreate diesel performance in a hydrogen-powered race car has taken significant engineering skill, but the base JCB engines have remained a similar DNA to production vehicle engines like these, but obviously with some modifications.
Traditionally, these engines run at about 2,200 RPM, which is fine for our machines, for hydraulics and gearboxes. But in order to get the wheel speed of the vehicle, we've upped the RPM to almost 4,500 RPM. So in doing that, we've changed the way that we control the valving of the engine. So moving from a push rod engine, which is common with our hydrogen and diesel, we've moved to a twin overhead cam system, which you'll see, which gives us better control of the valve events in terms of intake and exhaust side. We're keeping the single stage turbocharger. We're flowing a lot of air through into the engine. Key change is how we deliver the hydrogen in. So this engine here is what's called a PFI, or port fuel injected engine. With the Hydromax race engine, we've gone for a DI injection. That means we can get a lot more fuel quicker into the combustion chamber, so we get a larger bang effectively, so we make more power for the same displacement as engine.
The team insists that the main aim is to highlight hydrogen as a viable future technology. Not only can it beat diesel on efficiency, it can also beat it on speed.
We are fusing together here as the world-class straight line racing team of 2026. But more than that, it's showcasing what Great Britain can do and the innovation and the cutting-edge technology, and helping to promote and make people think about the zero-carbon alternative for the internal combustion engine of the future. That is incredibly exciting, and I'm very, very proud to be part of this team.